This video shows how to install a Maxi Cosi carrier in the curve. It is required to drill extra holes in the box in order to install the carrier. The following parts are required for installation: the base for the bottom of the box, the carrier, the template, 2 rubber straps, a little plastic bag with 2 long bolts, 2 lug nuts, 2 metal washers, 2 plastic washers and 2 caps, a Phillips screwdriver, open-ended spanner size 10, a roll of tape, scissors and a drill with a 6mm wood drill bit are also required. Installing the base in the box. Lock the bike before starting installation. This will ensure stability. First, remove the outer bench. In order to do so, pull the bench out of the guides in the direction of the handlebar. Unfold the template and cut the parts indicated with a dotted line. Place the template in the box and secure it with a small piece of tape. The cutout parts correspond with the recesses in the box. Determine the location of the holes in the bottom panel and drill the holes. Make sure that the latching mechanism is facing up and that the square part of the base is located on the handlebar side. Place the plastic washers between the wood panel and the base of the carrier. Use the metal washers underneath the box and securely tighten all nuts. Installing the carrier. Install the carrier by sliding it under the base starting from the handlebar side. Now turn the latching mechanism to secure the carrier. Installing the Maxi Cosi seat. Attach both rubber straps to the upper side of the carrier. Make sure that the thicker part of the clip is facing inward. Pass the rubber straps on the inside of the carry handle and attach the other clip to the bottom horizontal rod. The thicker part of the clip should be facing inward here as well. Installing is done and your baby can be placed in the Maxi Cosi seat. The baby should always be facing you. Great! Well done!